Takwiasin from the Lakota. Greetings, all my relations. My name is Guy Louis Sferlazza, and I am at your service. Thank you for coming to my website. Whether you're looking for family concerts, school assemblies, educational programs, workshops for teachers, or maybe you just came to listen to some music or watch some video. The summer of 2018 is finally upon us. Here in Michigan, it can take a little while. Check out my public performance schedule on the Family Concerts page, and most of these shows are out in the park for free and a whole lot of fun for all ages. Hope to see you out there. Lots of Americana, talking about our great country, praising it and giving thanks for it. I'm also going to play all types of different instruments for you. And be sure to come back to the site because we're about ready to launch a brand new site packed with not only all the musical programs, but this passion for sharing relaxation. I hope you'll be able to come back and just take a break. This is Max. Say hello, Max.